In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to Apple Wallet in 2026, 5 minutes. Before we begin, make sure your iPhone is updated, you're signed into iCloud, and Apple Wallet is enabled. You'll also want a stable internet connection and an active Klarna account with a digital or virtual card available. For privacy, never share or screenshot your full card details. Start by opening the Klarna app. From the home screen, head to the wallet area, or if you don't see it, check the app's settings. You're looking for your digital card details, the card number, expiration date, and security code. These may be masked for security. Tap to reveal and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID if prompted. Keep the app open or jot the info down securely so you can enter it accurately in Apple Wallet. Now switch over to the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone, tap the Add button to add a new payment card, then choose the option to add a debit or credit card. You can use your camera to scan the card, but because this is a digital card, manual entry often works best. Carefully type in the Klarna card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown in the Klarna app. When Apple Wallet asks for your name and billing address, match what's on your Klarna card profile to avoid verification hiccups, then review and accept the terms. At this point, Apple Wallet or Klarna may ask you to verify the card. This is normal. Follow the on screen prompt to verify via text message, email, or an in app confirmation. If a code doesn't arrive, double check your contact information in the Klarna app, ensure you have internet access, and try again. Temporarily disabling a VPN can also help with verification. Once verification completes, you should see the Klarna card appear in your wallet and marked as ready for Apple Pay. If you'd like, set it as your default payment method in wallet settings so it pops up first when you pay. The next time you're at a contactless terminal, double-click the side button, Authenticate, and select your Klarna card. You can also choose it at online and in-app checkouts that support Apple Pay. If the card won't add, update both the Klarna app and iOS, confirm Klarna card availability in your region, and try removing and re-adding the card. Most issues resolve with a fresh verification. That's it. Your Klarna card is now in Apple Wallet, ready for fast, secure payments. Thanks for watching and happy tapping.